So now that we have everything laid out and we know that we have all of our components, all of our pieces, the next thing that we're going to go on and do is we're going to clear our energy and we're going to set our intention for our mala. So, what's really awesome about setting our intention for our mala is to really pick something specific that you would like to achieve, accomplish, that you would like to become, that you would like to have in your life's experience, something that you feel is something that you need to work on, maybe something that you're aware of, and maybe you could bring a little bit more mindfulness to that and just have more awareness around it so that you can create and bring more of that to your life, whatever that is for you. um, One of the key things about setting your intention for your mala is every time you put it on, every time you wear it, every time you look at it, it's a reminder to you of what that intention is. And when you are wearing it as time goes by, there is the possibility that your mala could break. And oftentimes, when this happens, people are like, oh no, tragedy, my beautiful piece of jewelry broke. And while you may still experience those feelings, it is actually a really positive thing because when your mala breaks, if that should happen to you, I've had mine for over 2 years now and it still hasn't broke. Um, and when that happens, if that should happen, it just means that your intention has come true. Your intention has come to fruition, and maybe it's time for a new intention. You could choose to fix the mala, and you could choose to leave it be, do something different with the stones, and create a new mala, have a new mala in your life with a new intention. So, if everybody wants to get really comfortable right now, and we're just going to close our eyes just for a couple of minutes, and I want you guys to just take in a couple of really deep breaths and let out a really deep exhale. Take in another really deep inhale. And let out another deep exhale. Another deep inhale. And let out another deep exhale. And as you're sitting here, I want you to think about something that has really been on your mind lately. Something that you are hoping to bring into your life's experience. Maybe it's already there and you just would like more of it. Maybe it's not there and you would like for it to be there. And I would like to bring you back to when you made the decision that you wanted to participate in this class and create your own mala. Why was that important to you? And why did you want to do that? And maybe your intention for this mala resides somewhere in your desire to create this sacred piece of jewelry for yourself. And so I just want you to really come to a clear intention on what it is that you would like to infuse this mala with. What is it that you would like this mala to represent in your life? What is it that you want to be reminded of every time you put this beautiful piece of jewelry on? Every time you see this beautiful piece of jewelry on your dresser, Anytime that someone should ask you about this beautiful piece of jewelry, what is it that's really important to you in your life right now? And I'll just let you all sit here quietly until you're all ready and really think about what that specific, clear intention is. And when you have that, you can open your eyes and come back to the workshop. Okay, so now with your intention, what I would like you guys to do is write it down if you haven't done that already. And then I encourage you to share this intention with other people. When someone asks you about your mala, your sacred piece of jewelry, I invite you to share with them that you created it, that you made it, and here's why. Because the more we speak into our intentions, the more we're putting it out into the universe that that's what we're wishing to create in our life, that that's what we're wishing to have in our life. And the more loudly we step into that and speak that into the universe, then the more the universe can deliver that to us. And every time you wear your mala, I absolutely encourage you to really think about that and ask yourself, am I taking actions towards this intention? This is the intention I set. This is what I felt and said I wanted. And am I taking action towards that? And then every time there's a full moon, if you choose to clear your beads, clear your mala, put them under the full moon, I also invite you to check in with yourself and really sit with, is this still my intention, or has it come true? Has it come to fruition? Or do I want to continue having my intention be on this? And so in the next phase, I'm going to show you guys how to string your beads.